Today we're making Indian mango cardamom granita. It serves 4 and takes about 2 hours 30 minutes, mostly freezing. Bright, icy, and perfect for hot days. First, let's check the ingredients. 3 cups ripe Alphonso mango pulp. This is our sweet, fragrant base. 1/2 cup granulated sugar to sweeten and keep the crystals tender. 3/4 cup cold water to lighten the texture. 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice for bright acidity. 1/2 teaspoon ground cardamom for warm aroma. 1/8 teaspoon black salt, kala namak, for a subtle savory edge. 6 fresh mint leaves for garnish and freshness. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place a shallow metal baking dish and a large mixing bowl in the freezer and chill them for 10 minutes. In the chilled bowl, whisk 1/2 cup granulated sugar with 3/4 cup cold water until the sugar fully dissolves, about 1 to 2 minutes. Add 3 cups of ripe Alphonso mango pulp and whisk until the mixture is smooth and evenly combined. Stir in 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice and 1/2 teaspoon ground cardamom, then add 1/8 teaspoon black salt and mix well. Taste to confirm it's bright, sweet, tart, and aromatic, and make sure the sugar is fully dissolved. Pour the mixture into the chilled shallow baking dish and spread it into an even layer, about 1/2 inch thick. Place the pan in the freezer and freeze for 45 minutes. Scrape the icy edges toward the center with a fork, breaking up large crystals and fluffing the surface. Return the pan to the freezer for 30 minutes. Scrape thoroughly again to create fine flakes, then smooth it back into an even layer. Freeze for another 30 minutes. Give a final scrape until the granita is light and snowy. If any spots are still soft, freeze 10 more minutes and scrape again. Chill 4 serving glasses in the refrigerator for 10 minutes while the granita rests. Spoon the granita into the chilled glasses, dividing evenly into 4 portions and gently mounding on top. Top each portion with 1 to 2 mint leaves, using all 6 leaves, and lightly bruise them between your fingers to release aroma. Serve immediately while frosty and fragrant. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this mango granita, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more fresh recipes.